So you left batteries inside of your Xbox 360's battery cover. Then they blow up. Now there's battery acid all over the place and corrosion. Let's fix it. First step is to remove the top. It's held in place pretty loosely on the sides. I've already opened this one time previous to this just to see if it was even possible. Once you get open, you can see there should be a little spot there where there was a spring. My spring popped out the first time I did this, so watch out and cover your eyes. I have no idea where my spring is. Pretty much sure that it is gone into the ether at this point. But anyway, I'm just going through cleaning up everything with isopropyl alcohol. I use a couple different tools in this. I have a small little screwdriver from a precision toolkit that I'm using here to just do all the little scraping and whatnot on the corrosion filled terminals. And then I'm also using a small little tweezers a little bit later in order to get into the small little cracks and crevices that the battery acid got into that are really hard to get to with the small screwdriver. Just cleaning all that out, making sure they're all nice, bright, and clean. Then when you pop your new batteries in, they'll give you a good amount of power. Just want to make sure I get every little crack and crevice. I'm just going through cleaning up everything with isopropyl alcohol. And as you can see here, they go together real nice. Then just grab yourself some super glue and just super glue up those little spots. You may want to test it beforehand, but I just super glued it and then tested it afterwards because I figured this was going to work regardless. Slap some new batteries into the battery cover, put it into a controller. Make sure you use old dead batteries for your video that you're going to post on YouTube so it causes problems when you turn it on. And there you go, it's done. See you next fix.